Let's look at this 4-unit question, a proof question. It's not as hard as yesterday's question because it's not that early and I still have a depth study report to finish. So let's look at it. It's a very short question, 3 marker, prove this inequality. And if you've done enough question, your first instinct would be by brute force because it's manageable, the workload is manageable. Just make sure they have the common denominator. And method 1, brute force, is tedious, but it saves time. And the thing is, if you want to think of a smart way, you don't necessarily know if there is a smart way or not. So this is the safest way, and this is what I will recommend you to do in the exam. You just basically make them have the same denominator, and then you expand it and you cancel things out, and you just separate it, and then you just prove that it's not that deep. Now if you finish this and you want to explore the beauty of mathematics, the elegance of proof, here's a better way. Now you see the minus this. I think the first thing I thought is to make it like this, because actually it just looks pretty, because the numerator is 1 whereas the denominator contains r, and now we can actually, here we can use this given information. Excuse me. We can use this given information and we can basically plug in the left hand side with this. Now if we have this information, we just want to make the denominator the same, and we can use this. We can make the denominator larger and still keep the greater sign, right? And then we simplify it so that it's greater than 0. So it is another quite elegant proof, but the thing about this is you don't necessarily can think of it in an exam, but it would be good to know it. It's way more elegant and way more pretty than the other one, but not everyone can think of it. So today's video is quite short, but basically this is the type of question where I would recommend you to use brute force, because it's very obvious you don't need any substitution. You just need to simplify the left hand side and you are bound to be able to do this. And that's today's video, and see you tomorrow.